Little animals wake up early in the bright morning light. The lion gives a big friendly roar that doesn't frighten anyone. The monkey jumps from tree to tree, laughing and having fun, while the giraffe reaches high, leaves with its long neck. Elephant splashes cool water everywhere, and the zebra runs happily in black and white stripes. Birds fly above the trees, singing sweet little tunes, and butterflies dance around flowers shining in the sun. Penguins waddle side to side on boat in the river, blowing bubbles, and kangaroos hop with a joyful boing boing sound. The squirrel climbs a tall tree carrying a tiny nut. The fox walks smoothly with a shiny red tail, and turtles move slowly but smile all the way. Baby deer prints through the forest, ducks swim in the pond making soft splashes, and owls blink their big round eyes from a tall branch. All the animals gather together to play, running, jumping, singing, spinning, making the whole forest happy and bright. They invite every child watching to join them, to clap, smile, dance, and enjoy the day. Every animal, big or small, celebrates with joy, filling the jungle with laughter and joy.